Hi dear students, welcome back to our class again. Today also we will study the first lesson. Yesterday we have studied the first lesson, 8-line poem. So today also we will study 8 lesson. Are you ready? Come with me. Next stanza of this poem. She is not a dull or cold land. No, she is a warm and bold land. Oh, she is a true and old land, this native land of mine. Would beauty ever guard her, and virtue still reward her? No few could cross her border, no friend within it pine. One by one we will study. Listen. She is not a dull or cold land. She means our mother country, our native mother, our mother place, our mother country, birthplace, birth country. She is not a dull. Dull means no active, no energy, no work. Very lazy minded. She is not a dull. That means not a dull means actually she is active. She is energetic, enthusiasm, positive minded. Our country expresses her positive mind towards the people. She is not a dull or cold. Cold means idle. Cold man. Warm man, hot man and cold man. Cold man means no interest to do anything. Only just sit in a place without any work. No interest to do anything. That type of man is known as the cold man. Cold mentality or negative mentality. Here is this not a dull means positive mind and not a cold means that is not a negative. But she is not a dull or cold land. No, she is a warm and bold land. Next, warm. This is a usage in English. Warm welcome. Hearty warm welcome to all. Any functions we can hear this type of words. Warm, it's hearty. We are very loving. We are lovable mood. And she is very loving. Our country loves all the people residing within the limits of boundary. She is a warm and bold land. Bold, very courageous, powerful, strong-minded. Our country is a very loving country. Love all the people in our country and also bold land. Very strong and powerful nation among the world. So, our country is not a dull, our country is active, our country is not a cold, our country is a warm country, our country is a bold country. Yesterday's class, we had studied some other characteristic of our country, rich country. Do you remember it? Rich country, rare country, fresh country, this type of some more characteristic also. Then in this stanza, warm country and bold country. Our country is a warm country, our country is a bold country, our country is not a dull country, our country is not a cold country. Yes. Oh, she is a true and old land. Some more characteristic for our country. She is a truth. The people residing in our country are given more priority for the honesty and the truth. We are the people of truth. We emphasize in the honesty. Our country is a true, fair country and old land. Our country is very old land. So our country is a warm country, our country is a bold country, our country is a true country and our country is an old country. You should understand? Once again I will try. She is not a dull or cold land. No, she is a warm and bold land. Oh, she is a true and cold land. This native land of mine. This is my country. This native land, that is my country. That native land is warm, bold, true, and old land. This is a speciality of our country. So, I am proud of my country because my country is a warm country, bold country, true country, and a old country. So, I am proud of my country. The last stanza. Would beauty ever guard here, and virtue still reward here? No foe would cross her border, no friend within it pine. Listen, what beauty! Our country is a very beautiful nation. Number of fantastic areas, regions, old palaces, building, mountains, rivers, and the plain lands, grasslands, the farmers, everything should give us a beauty to our eyes. So our country is a beautiful nation, beautiful country in the world. So beauty, ever God here, our country is always, all the time, protect here. Protect, God means protect here. Good beauty ever God here, and virtue still reward here. What is the reward of our country? Our country is a warm country, bold country, true country, old country, and beautiful. Then what we will get to our country? Our country's reward means all the virtues. All the good virtue means good works or good deeds. D-W-D. Deed. Deed means good work. All the good work. All the truthful work. Truthful deed. That is a virtue of our country. And virtue still reward here. And this is a reward for our country. Then if you do something, we will get a, for example, if you participate in a competition, we will get a reward. Reward is for our work and our country's work, our country's deeds. The virtue, we will give you the virtue. Virtue is a reward here. Then and virtue still reward here. Then no few would cross here border. Few means enemy. No enemies from outside. They will not come inside our country, or they will not cross the border of our nation, because we have a powerful army. They will protect us from the enemies. If any person will attack our country, and they will protect us from the enemies. But no one will come inside our country. No enemies will not come inside our country. They will not cross the border of our nation. No few would cross here border. The no friend within it pine. It pine means waiting for a long. Waiting for a long. P-I-N-E. She is pining for her husband. She is that is some example. Pine means waiting for something. Then when we become unhappy, if we waiting for something, we will become unhappy mood. Happy mood and unhappy mood. If we got something, we will become happy. Then if you are waiting for anything, that period, unhappy period. But here, no friend within it pain. No friend within it pine means all the people in our country are happy. All are very happy. There is no unhappy situation in our country. All the people are happy. All the people are enjoyed their life within our country. And this is the meaning. No friend within it pine. No one is waiting for anything. Not waiting for anything. All the resources they are enjoying. So no friend within it pine. They once say like, would beauty ever guard here, and virtue still reward here. No fear would cross here border, no friend within it pipe. Is it understand? This is the meaning of this poem. The one more stanza also, that is the last stanza. That last stanza is also a repetition of the first stanza. First stanza and the last stanza same. So there is no need for explanation. Yesterday I already had explained the first stanza. You already understand it. So there is no need to explain one more time that first stanza, the last stanza, first stanza same. So this is the poem. This poem is very inspirational. This poem gives us, inspire us to love, to express our love towards our mother nation. So this is a summary and explanation of the poem. Then tomorrow we will explain the question answers and other exercise work once again. Tomorrow we will wind up this class, and you should do one thing, 8-line poem. You should study the poem, 8-line poem. You should by heart it, and everybody should by heart the poem in your home. Tomorrow we will meet one. Bye bye.